Okay, so this is my sister's favourite recipe of everything we've ever done in Delicious Yella, which is an avocado and cashew nut pasta, and she's obsessed with it. They make it all the time at their uni house, and so I wanted to share it with you guys today. Hopefully you're gonna love it. Okay, so the whole recipe is gonna take literally as long as it takes to cook the pasta, and what we're gonna do first is we're just gonna toast some cashews, which we're gonna sprinkle over the top. So you want roughly 50 grams or a kind of smallish handful of cashews, and then just pop them in a blender or a food processor and just chop them up, and then we're going to toast them, and they'll just keep a real eye on them because they toast really quickly and you want them to go golden brown, but obviously you don't want to burn them, and that should take kind of 2 or 3 minutes or so depending on how hot your pan is. I wouldn't turn it up to the highest heat because it will then potentially just burn really quickly. So then once you've got that, we're gonna make our pesto. And what we need first is our cashews. So we then want about 75 grams of cashews for that, plus a big handful of fresh basil, which is just gonna add great color and flavor to this. We're gonna have 1 avocado, it's a kind of smallish, definitely really ripe avocado, and a whole lemon, which you'll need to squeeze in, and then 2 teaspoons of nutritional yeast. If you don't have nutritional yeast, don't worry, but it does add a nice flavor. And then literally just salt, water, olive oil. And then the last thing we're gonna add is roasted garlic. If you're really tight on time, you can just chuck in raw garlic, but I prefer the flavor with roasted garlic, so I've just had that in the oven cooking for the last kind of 5 to 10 minutes. So then all we're gonna do is pop the lid on and blend that up. So when you're blending it, you might find maybe it's a little bit thicker than you'd like. If that's the case, then just take the lid off, pop a little bit more water or olive oil on, and pop the lid back on and just blend again. So just do whatever it is that works best for you then. And then we're just gonna cook our pasta. And as soon as the pasta's done, and if you want something lighter, you can actually do this with courgetti, so spiralized courgettes, zucchinis, and that's also really delicious in the summer and things like that. I quite like that. So then drain the pasta, and then you're literally just gonna stir it all together. Obviously you can add extra green veggies or mushrooms or anything at this point, but if you want a really simple pasta, then you're literally done. I'm just going to sprinkle it with salt, pepper, the toasted cashews, and a little squeeze of lemon. And there we go, dinner in 10 minutes.